Dear student, today we see the explanation of surface tension on the basis of molecular theory. Consider a liquid in a container. A, B, and C are the liquid molecules such that A is deep inside the liquid, B is just below the surface layer of the liquid, and C is on the surface of liquid. We draw the sphere of influence of the molecule A, B, and C. It is seen that the sphere of influence of the molecule A lies completely inside the liquid. As a result, molecule A is acted upon by equal cohesive forces in all directions. Hence, the net cohesive force acting on molecule A is 0. Molecule B lies within the surface layer and below the free surface of the liquid. A larger part of its sphere of influence is inside the liquid and a smaller part is in air. The adhesive force acting on the molecule B due to the air molecule is very small compared to the cohesive force acting on the molecule B. As a result, the molecule B gets attracted inside the liquid. Now, let us see the molecule C. Half sphere of influence of this molecule lies in the air and half sphere of influence lies in the liquid. The number of air molecules are small as compared to the number of molecules of the liquid, as the density of air is less than the density of the liquid. The adhesive force is much weaker than the cohesive force of liquid molecules, and this cohesive force tries to pull the molecule inside the liquid surface. As a result, the molecule C also gets attracted inside the liquid. Thus, all the molecules in the surface film are acted upon by the cohesive force, and this cohesive force is directed into the liquid. Due to this cohesive force, the molecules in the surface film are pulled inside the liquid. This minimizes the total number of molecules in the surface film. As a result, the surface film remains under tension. The surface film of a liquid behaves like a stretched elastic membrane, and this tension is known as surface tension. Consider the free surface of a liquid. An imaginary line PQ of length L drawn tangentially to the free surface of the liquid. All the molecules on this line experience equal and opposite forces tangentially to surface. Then the force per unit length is the surface tension. Surface tension is defined as the tangential force acting per unit length on both sides of an imaginary line drawn on the free surface of a liquid.